Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we're about to do one of my favorite quick box meals, and that's hamburger helper. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do chili cheese hamburger helper, which is my favorite type. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our ground beef, elbow macaroni, beef broth, we have onions, butter, salt, chili powder, paprika, white flour, tomato paste, garlic powder, seasoned salt. If you don't have seasoned salt, use regular salt, onion powder, and some black pepper. So let's get to it. We're gonna start off by melting our butter. As the butter melts, we're gonna add our onions. And guys, I'm gonna add some red peppers. I had a half a red pepper in my refrigerator. I'm just gonna get rid of it, and I'm gonna use that. You don't have to do that, but it's definitely not gonna hurt. Add some red peppers, and we're gonna cook these babies until they soften. This will take about 5 minutes. All right, so after about 5 minutes, we're gonna go in with our ground beef. And we're gonna break this up as we go. This will take about, 5 to 7 minutes. So once you've browned your ground beef, go ahead and drain your pan. My beef didn't produce a whole lot of fat, so I'm not gonna drain it. I'm gonna leave that a little bit in there. Helps with the flavor. We're gonna add our tomato paste, and we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes till we see that deep reddish color. Once your tomato paste is mixed in well, you wanna come behind that with your dry seasonings, your paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, or salt if you have it, that's sugar, our chili powder, and our black pepper. Go in for another minute, get all those flavors mixed in. And once you got that mixed in well, we're gonna slowly add our beef broth. Along with our milk. We're gonna stir this in pretty good. Turn our heat up. We're gonna stir this in pretty good. All right, guys, so I added our pasta. Now I turned our heat up. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Oh, guys, we forgot to add our flour. Let's get that flour in here. Should have added that when you added all your seasonings, your dry seasoning. We should have added that flour in there. This shouldn't hurt it. Once it starts boiling, you're gonna reduce your heat to a light simmer, and you're gonna let that cook for about 10 to 12 minutes until the pasta is cooked all the way through. And you wanna make sure you stir it often because you don't want that pasta to be sticking to the bottom of the pan, all right? All right, so we're about 12 minutes in. We're gonna turn off our heat. We're gonna move over to our cutting board and get into our final step. The last thing we're gonna do is stir in our cheese. You know, guys, I didn't put that in our shot, but I did let you know you're gonna use some cheese. Definitely gotta have that cheese. And guys, just like that, we're done. Forgive me, Father, I don't have any of that green stuff to put on top of it. I know I have sinned, but my audience are gonna forgive me for that one, all right? So there it is, guys. Chili cheese hamburger helper. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test, all right? You already know my favorite part of the show is bringing our food up to the front of the congregation. Oh, man. Yeah, I put me a little bit in the bowl, man. Listen, let's go ahead and test this baby out. And by the way, I love me some hamburger helper. And the chili cheese. Hamburger helper. Oh man. What can I say, man? Ground beef, cheese, and pasta. Can't go wrong with that. No need to overreact. Just say groceries. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.